Hello everybody! Today we're going to make a caramel apple upside down cake. To make this delicious dessert we need 2 or 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 lemon, 160 grams of flour, 3 apples, red or green, and for the caramel 150 grams of sugar. First, we're going to start by peeling the apples. We're going to slice 2 of them and we're going to add some lemon juice. Before making the caramel, we need to butter the pie mold in which we're going to cook the cake later. To make the caramel, we're going to put the sugar in a pot and we will melt down the sugar. It may seem intimidating, but it really shouldn't be. Melt it over low heat and just watch it. Your sugar can go from toasty to burnt pretty quickly though, so make sure you keep a close eye on it. When the caramel is done, pour it into the pie mold and add the sliced pieces of apple. Just like this. To make the batter, we will first beat 2 eggs with the sugar with the blender. Then we can add some lemon zest if you want. And the butter. And we will continue beating until it is smooth. It has to be very soft. Then we will add the flour and the baking powder. You can use a sieve if you like. And we will continue beating. If the batter is too dry, add 1 egg and beat a little bit more. Chop the remaining apple and add some lemon juice. And then add this apple to the batter. Pour the batter into the pie mold. Before putting the cake into the oven, preheat it. And now bake the cake at 108 centigrades for 35–40 minutes. The knife test is the best way to ensure that this cake is fully baked. And mold the cake right after you take it out of the oven and it's ready. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye!